Hello, can you hear me? Yeah, my cat stood on the power button, and that was it. Let's try this again. Okay. Draw that circle 0, 0, 100. Hey there, Tucson. T0 Sen. Don't know how to pronounce your name. Okay. And then surface dot set draw color. Then I can put inside here. That's the radius, that's the color. So we'll put the segments, we'll put 16. Put 32 here. See if that works. It's gonna go global VGUI. Oh. Not client. Then return end. Right. Right click this. There's a circle. What the fuck was that? Well, it worked. I don't even know what that was. Let's put this in the center quickly. It's hard to say at the moment, but I am aiming for a end of this year, hopefully. Third quarter of this year, most likely. But I can't say for certain. It's getting close. Okay. Right now what I'm trying to do is work on the SCP. So I've done just about, so I've done the roles, having that set up. I got the menu working. I've got the inventory. And I've got the skills. So once the SCPs are done, and I've got a keycard system in place, it should be near completion, hopefully. Okay. Set this to a static rate for the moment. Let's put it to 82. Way too small, what am I thinking? Way too big, what the fuck am I thinking? Right. I need to make, I'm thinking, because I'm not really needing the frame itself, it's just a container. So if I make the total size of this to just be the complete size of the screen, like that, and then I increase the radius of this to like 512. In between. Yep. And then I can hopefully, I think that's big enough for now. Now I'm going to splice this up into different parts. So I'm going to divide this by the radius. Splitting. Yeah, when the server's ready, things like staff and all that will be sorted. That's when it will be announced and all that. There's no point in getting staff members like this far back in development, because you just be sitting doing nothing for the most part. Maybe like first couple weeks before the server's open, we might open applications just to get some staff in before we release, but I don't know, time will tell. Unity. Yeah, this is sort of what I want. I wonder if it's all done for code or if it's some Unity library that's done this. I think it is actually. Actually, right. Introduction, implementation. I need to see the code for this though. Oh, it's an asset thing. It's probably not going to have you're probably not going to see the show code. That's the controller. Maybe Roblox, because that's quite closely with ULX, so I mean with Lua. What am I thinking? Dreaded trigonometry. Yeah, so I'm looking at pie menu, essentially. Now I can remember why I did not do a circular menu last time. They confused the fuck out of me. Yeah, I need to make so what I want to do is when you've got a slip, see it says left click usability, right click choosability, and the idea is you right click and it will have all these options that you can choose for different abilities that the SCP can do. So I need to make this menu, figure out how to do it. Might get a starting point with ChatGPT, funnily enough. We'll have a look. Right. Creating. Okay, let's have a look. Find the necessary variables and functions added to the menu. Okay. I'm interested to see this, what happens. So what, he's got variables, number of options. Right. This is just some quick test code. Start angle, end angle, segment angle. Ah, okay. 360 divided by the number of options. I can just do that. And the radius is going to be 256. And we'll put that, so I'll put that up here. This may cause an error. Yep. Bar limit must be a number. Oh. There we go. Nope. To perform arithmetic on global center X, center X, center Y. Put this local X, Y. Over H. Put this X, put this Y. X, Y. X. 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 Y. 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 Okay. What the fuck? So that's the color. If I take away a couple options. The fuck? Right. So I've got to split this between all of this. Let's get rid of the circle. I know what it's doing, I think. So if I make a bunch of options. Yeah, look at that. So it is working, but it didn't have enough options, so let's make it a triangle. Alright, see you, man. Yeah, it's starting to get late for me as well soon. Well, good night. Local ship size assure a minimum of 3 options.
Right.
Fucking hell. Alright, I might leave this for now with the circular HUD. And I might just make it... Might make the HUD later. Yeah. And I'll work on the nitty gritty of the 049. So default ability, pure player. Local count. Alright. I can't have that local though because unless sweat dot alright. If server then local random models, self.cured player models, set model, ship weapons, give cured player new health, cured player new health. Okay, so it does switch them. Because the zombies are currently that, so I'm just gonna get a oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, why is the model not? I should just work, that's a default one. Okay, yeah, so it is switching them now. There we go. So I wanted to make a halo on the person you target. So we got a halo, I think it's halo.add. Yep. Ways instruction is that the breach or halos can cause instability or crashes. Okay. Add pre-draw halos. SCP-RP weapons.draw. There we go. And I want that to be based on the reach of the target. So if we just do self.cure player reach and weapon get class oh, actually I won't need to because the target only works. Yeah, okay. Alright, that's fine then. So we got the little halo. And I want it to work when they're actually cured. So I think this is yeah. Might make them like an orange color though. Or actually no. Keep them green because they're gonna be allies, aren't they? Yeah. So when they're cured, we're gonna add them to a list. But what list? What list would be best? Should I have a local weapon list or no? Because when they're dead, yeah, when they're dead, it's not gonna matter because it'll reset. All right, we'll do our checks here then. If v get nw to bool do we check that or do we check if they've got a weapon? That may be better if we check if they've got a Yeah. So that logic should work. If they get a weapon and they switch, it could potentially cause issues, but the likelihood of that is so rare. I mean, we could possibly get a... maybe get weapons. There's a weapons list. Explore run print table. Okay, I'll just do it. It shouldn't matter too much. If table dot has value b dot get weapons is actually no, because it's gonna nah, fuck it, we're just gonna check the weapon, active weapon. I don't think this list is just complicating the loop even more, and we want it to be performant, not be completely accurate. Okay. So this is the reach we've got it as. And when they get cured, it sets them to a error, but that's okay for now. And then it'll set their health and give their weapon, get rid of all their old weapons as well. And we should maybe switch their name, or actually, or no, we won't switch their job name because we want there to be no metagaming, so we can't have them check on the scoreboard and see, you know, if there's been a breach and someone's been cured or infected. So yeah, we're gonna keep it, I think we're gonna keep it as just internal stuff and no like role name or anything like that changed. And that should hopefully avoid any hassle with that. And I'm going to take this function, I'm going to move it now before I forget. CL draw circle. Oh, we need some function to check if they're actually an SCP as well. I don't know what would be the best way of checking that. I mean, we could do a shared file and check, or we could just have it in the in the core. This will probably be the best file for it. Yeah, probably, and then we can change this, delete this file, move this into here, and then create a new file called right. I'm gonna make a new function called SCP-RP is player SCP. I think probably the best way of doing that is local b is SCP, false, return b is SCP. If inside of role, I've got get role by name, get role by index, get role name, local role name, actually, if POI. And then we just string dot find SCP, then return SB as SCP. That's quite a crude way of checking it, but it is one way. Okay, I've realised I've got to go do something, so I think I'm going to end the stream early here. It was nice talking to y'all. It's getting quite late now as well. I might do a stream at some other point. I'm not sure. Just got to do this quick.